Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, how are you? Welcome back to Freelancer Button YouTube channel. If you are looking to boost your website SEO and improve your ranking on Google, you are in right place. Today I am going to show you how to get Dofollow backlinks to increase your website authority. Plus, I will share a list of 200 plus websites where you can easily build high quality backlink. Dear viewers, but before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my SEO tips. What are Dofollow backlinks, right? What is Dofollow backlink? Dear viewers, in short, I am going to explain you what is Dofollow backlink. Actually, Dofollow backlink are links that pass link juice from one website to another, helping improve your domain authority, DA and search engine ranking. Not all backlink are created equal, so we need to find high DA websites that provide Dofollow link. So how to check domain authority? Dear viewers, if you want to create Dofollow backlink, and you must create on a high DA authority website. For this, you need to find a website where you can check website domain authority. So let's see how we can do it. Dear viewers, I think you see here we have come in a website where we can check domain authority. You can write down this address and you will use it later. So today website, here is the today website, you can see. So I need to copy it and I pasted it here. Now I should click on check backlink. Dear viewers, it is result already has come out. So it is domain rating is 70 out of 100. So it is high rating, and you can see it is backlink that is high and linking website 18K. Dear viewers, let's go on the website. Dear viewers, now let's go see it is Dofollow or no follow that we have created already. So if I click on it, it will take me to my website. So you see it took me in my website after clicking on it. Now if I want to see it is nofollow or dofollow. For this, I need to click on my mouse. I need to click on right button on my mouse, and here we can see a pop-up window. Now I need to click on inspect. So dear viewers, you can see my website is visible here, and here is no any indication that prove it is nofollow. No nofollow tag here visible, so it is 100% dofollow backlink. So dear viewers, it is 100% dofollow backlink. Now you can get more website. It will be 200 plus. Let's go. I will show you the website, where the website list where it has a list of 200 plus website. Dear viewers, note down the address, and you can see block. So click on block and scroll down a little, then click on, you can see article kidat 250 plus dofollow backlink. Click on it, and you can see here is website list. So just underline it and click on go to, and it will take to the website. That's why you can create more website from the website. Dear viewers, today no more. Dear viewers, that's it for today. Now you know how to create dofollow backlink and where to find a 200 plus backlink website. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more SEO tips. I will see you in the next video. Happy link building. Allah Hafiz.